On behalf of the chiefs and the people of Asantehemaa, I welcome you, Prime Minister of the Kingdom of Eswatini, His Excellency Russell Dlamini, and the Deputy Prime Minister of the Kingdom of Eswatini, His Excellency Tulisele Ladla. Today is the final day of the burial rites. The ceremony in dignity. As I welcome members of the diplomatic corps, our distinguished MCs, members of the diplomatic corps, we accord you with greatness and respect. We thank you for your support. We thank you for observing the final day of the burial rites of our Queen Mother, Nana Konadu Yiadom III. Let's welcome the CEO of DBS Industries Limited, Mr. Daniel Boateng. And of course, the Member of Parliament for Manhyia South, our only lawyer. Lord, we thank you for your contributions. Lawyer 1, Honorable Member of Parliament for Manhyia South.
Sabring free Asogle State. Wanam Adruha Ebabe Mayerayako.
To conclude, Your Majesty, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, the President of the nation, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Nana Akomia is also a former Member of Parliament. Honorable Sami Awoku, the former Director General of NLA, now a member of Mr. Fred Owari. Honorable Samuel Pine is the former Mayor of the Garden City.
Opimso TV, Opimso Radio. You're live on Facebook, YouTube, any social media. Na obetimi abeka ye ho. That's why edge made in Ebro, El Manhyia Kotakofie, and da a chat to a de jana na hema kwan ewo eye emranim ni ba kwa wagene din eba amamra ni amane nsa wabene na otama ho nkyerɛkyerɛ ewo fidi ahodo so lawyer Nana Obribo Kane NPP Deputy General.
Yeah, Major so.
Pomba Kode.
Onya me da Roma.
And then they chat why they jan na him akwan and then so near who ha say na wo say who said the name ACT.
Asa ye de ayi kase pa. Aye de o fa kromu a kromu nyina ayedi ayi kase pa. Na oba na ka obehwe bia. Eno na uhu a na obi nkan kyerɛw. Fisa we no say kasa de nkra wonyintum. Eti sa oba na obehwe bia. Wa mehwe bi so a na obete the commentary sania ye ka ho asem. Na obe kakra amanfo aba enyina aba modern abi
More of a state barrier. And lenti na manfo ehunu sa na de ntina ti sei.
So basically Matisse former president former president Ajekunkufor former president Anado former vice president Baumia affairs president Manhyia ba the vice aba the chief of staff aba abi anya common say obeya yie in Ghana na obenya akuku damsi former chief of staff president chief of staff omunyina wa anya asem ketwa so akuku dan omunyina wa nti anono ma hu say wontimi ka say state barrier kradia na so amanfo aba no akere say anya ayiketwa na sanate
Lawyer me hwe ne ekoso nyina no adesuade ben na ewumaye
adesuade de bebre o so aye we nko anu a o ma ya no nanan no metuma tworo book baako metuma tworo book baako aye nanan no metuma tworo book so a aye eso emu ya aye yasi ay tworo to sadia misuro aye no na matro book why ohene batrase no ebinum kotrase no mo kasa o say ya bremanfo aya dan na aya bremanfo why bremanfo I don't know obi antimi nya gisa bremanfo I want to interest you. Now, after remind phone,
okay, lawyer ma yenyina sei na efidin mu na homa ya hefo na wo kan bibi ngoma obetimi
remind phone akọ edana wo moto nyum edana na wo moto nyum so a na otikọkọ so aso obi ebie no so otwi
Director of Public Affairs.
Adishiyako. Ayadana Adishia Eneko.
Chief Staff Officer.
Omuko say ebinum kuta ashede. Edientina omkuta ashede.
And the Executive Secretary.
Nchirase ene say. Ebinum de ntwoma afa omo ho. Awde down de ntwoma. Nchirase ene say.
Thank you so much for your support.
Well, send I for Natanano, Joansan, my bind, Acrodie, and also sono. Me churo bukuna, Machro, Obia Cronubia, Machro Omo, Atlanta side, or more to represent something. Ebinufita, Annular, I am fully be. I want to ask you, and yeah, Agona, nay, Tapa, and as a tunnel, ɔmo nkwa na ɔmo bɛba ha ɔmo de nwera ɛwɔ ne nkyerɛseɛ anwera no three no nyinaa bɛ represent abosom tapayɛ baaneɛ agona ebu abeduro ɛna atano ɔbɛnya no tayi aba ɔmo nkwa na obinom kase ɔmo yɛ history no wɔn bibia sasabio ɔfa haha no koraa na ɔde to ha ɛwɔ nkyerɛseɛ sɛ wohwɛ betwani sika ne si so betwani sika ne si so ɛkyerɛ sɛ every year biara no ɛsɛ sɛ otwa nsɛm fufuo ɛde brɛ no owia the king of Eswatini baeɛ no ɔmo ma ne nsɛm fufuo wobɛnya nsɛm fufuo no bi wɔ ntam aba biara but abakɔsɛm ti wate ase ya enti gɔso no wɔmo yam ɛwɔ nea akyerɛ mu wɔkye ayɛ akorodiefoɔ yɛ dankyira ɛna ɔmo bɛtena mpasaa so no bɛn mankena so ɛna ɔmo paa asase nti ɔmo kɔ baabi a
apolisifoɔ akɔ aba asan aba ebien
TV ɛna ɛhwehwɛ nkɔmɔ na abakɔsɛm ahodoɔ ɛna wɔde
Yura wadahoma.
wobɛhu saa crest
Asana no. Asana majapa. Tunsia. Etwasia asekwa. Ne danta. Asoro fare. Ne nyina ode sabe osie na se. Amane kwa so se. So wadom ebru. Na se da hono mo want me hwe kwa. De ode ja na se kwa no. Na sabe one yire ba ya. Se de osie no. Se de one yire oja passe no. Se de abusuafo. Se sabe wadom ebru. Omo so masina da hoyi. Omo snap pantu. Ya motuma eso ni ase. Omo debo. Omo petia. Omo shenti ade. So the omo tai. Ana. Ojapa. Ohere. Sebe achire no. Samba ya omo se no ebru. Tu for the masi. Today it is profound to have the presence of the Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, the President of the Republic, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Ghana is a noble country. Ghana is a very peaceful country. We always pray that God bless our homeland Ghana and make our nation great and strong. The two former presidents are here to mourn with His Majesty, express their condolences, and share sympathies with him. The former president, His Excellency John Ajakum Kufuor, and the former president, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. We are going to have the former vice president, the former presidential candidate of the NPP, His Excellency Alhaji Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia. It's a sacred moment, and I take this opportunity to welcome a member of the caucus, Honorable Dr. Henry Kwabena Kukufu, former member of parliament of Bantama constituency. Yet indeed we have the current member of parliament for Bantama constituency, Honorable Francis Asante. We welcome the clergy, my spiritual father, Reverend Rasford Obing, and the members of the clergy. His Excellency the President of the Republic is now going to pay homage to His Majesty Otumfuo Osei Tutu II.
Ghana Mampeni ene na pamfo afei na ekwan no atene se wonom ekoye reho na okwakoma womo ko omo kwakoma ye rayako akoma no shedin Ghana Mampeni ene na bedwafo ena sabre wonom enam emfimfi wo ekoma ye rayako no.
Among them we have the Ashanti Regional Minister, Honorable Dr. Frank Amagohine, the Deputy Minister of Local Government, Honorable Retana Odole Soa, the Minister of Works and Housing, Honorable Kenneth Gilbert Ajay, the Minister of Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs, Honorable Ahmed Ibrahim, and the Deputy Minister of Defense, Honorable Bruja Jamfi. The Mayor of the Garden City, Honorable Richard Ofori Boadi, aka Zuba, has been working tirelessly over the past 2 weeks.
Sorry, you know, I'm with the bed part of break.
Asantehemaa Dote Yie enene de toso nine na esan twatwo Asante nyina ni abre enti wosi mon so ababia tadi we ene chew se ampa Asante ya ni abre ampa enenti efri juada bepem enne Mensura amaya hoduo bebre de wantimi ama wonum to bofo omasi yenim yewra ne do na botre nimdia wodom ankoma to ne bo ase dia dom no wo kasa ba bia ta dinti wo kasa na akoma ato yemunti ampa asam sei ato no brichie sei abodia yemmema woni asante nyina yakọ ti amai ahodoɔ wɔnom atu abɔfo aba na yeduru Ghana ha dia na menanka mantam dunsia ne nyinara emu nipa aba Asante mantam ha ɛkɔ na nanom hemfo na menanka kora frisempene se ade to ntatia bomo a wɔnom a na eyie ɛnenti ɛnyɛ wanwa sɛ hemfo wɔ mantam dunsia ne nyinara bia mu nipa ɛba ha na kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ ne kwan so a
The President of the Republic, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, has exchanged courtesies with His Majesty, expressed his condolences, and share his sympathies with Asantehemaa. Together with the Chief of Staff, Honorable Julius Deborah, the Acting Chief Justice, His Lordship Paul, Justice Bafubani, members of the Council of State, Honorable Yao Obimpe, and Honorable Betty Mold Idrisu. Among the delegation of the President included the Asante Regional Minister, Honorable Dr. Frank Amakohine, the Deputy Minister of Local Government, Honorable Rita Na Odole Soa, the Minister of Works and Housing, Honorable Kenneth Gilbert Ajay, and the Deputy Minister of Defense, Honorable Bruja Jamfi. Now is the time for the former presidents, His Excellency John Ajakum Kufuor and His Excellency Nana Addo Akufo-Addo, the former Vice President, His Excellency Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia, and the First Lady, former Second Lady, Her Excellency Samira Bawumia.
Ira Ghana Omampene, His Excellency Ira Mahama, Wanina Pamfo, Akoma Utumfo, Ya Konadu na Wabetinase, Afena Omampene, Dadanso, Nana Adodankwa Fuado, One Napamfo Eko, Omampene Edada, His Excellency John Ajakum Kufuor, also our Hanmo Ebi. Meka say Ghana nyina akoma o menhia sei nya Ghana ko wi ase afana nyina wani edinia ekoy achi enti nananu ebaya na ne kwanso no se wo ba na wo beboa ama na Konadu Yiadom na Konadu Yiadom otoso na kwanko jai aye kama said ye ese Achiame Edikan de Atudwa Okafo Lady period. The Niama Wadi Eja Monasi Quine. Or then Abusia or the Abama Achiame Edi Atudwa Amamre Ekwaso. Come on. Nanamo HD. I don't like that we na Opejanoa, let's say, Media no affair, Edikan, our mention, no,
the so good. Sadia Ghana Mampani Oswadoma and Chebia and Wachami when I thought to say Nabrewa Sabina Konadu Yiadom Tosumi and Sa and Swaba, don't win a Jabri Wakway. On says Sabina a Domo Waro. or the snap, Pantu do me a new, every school, whiskey, Pantu do me a new, brandy, Pantu do me a new, billion, a nice canoe, 300,000. Doma Pani, or so I don't make Brubaba, Nabru another way.